Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add your required email address in a Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see that I'm already logged in and I'm on my home page of the Yubo account. So to simply add your email address, if you have really created this account through your phone number, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile. You can see that this is my particular profile right over here. All you have to do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen again. This will take you to various options of setting. Just tap on account option on the top of the list. So you can see that you have an option of name, birthday, gender, username, phone number and email. Simply tap on email. If you don't have added one, now you can insert your preferred email address that you want to keep and add on this particular profile, just like this. And when you're done, tap on this red background floating option on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see it's being updated, guys. I can check my email since they have said that they have sent me an email on my email address. I am going to tap on confirm. And before that, I am going to check my own email address. Alright, so guys, you can see that I am on my homepage of my email and I do have a notification by Yubo app. Just you can see at the top of the list. I'm simply going to tap on this to verify my email address, and you can see I can tap on confirm email address if I am okay with updating my email to this particular account. I'm going to tap on confirm email address. After confirming, I have been just logged in again. I'm going to tap on confirm again, my own page. Okay guys, you can see that the red background has just disappeared, and you can tapping on email, you can see that this is my particular email over here. So that means I've just added email on my Yubo account. So this is how you do it. This is how you add your email address on a Yubo account, guys. So I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.